About 20 minutes ago, we asked the guys to come up with a rice dish. This is completely unplanned. We want creativity, we want flavour, and we want a little bit of panic. I can imagine we're going to get a lot of panic.
Oh, this oven! Well, I'm deeply concerned.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, let's do this.
Come on!
This is what we call in the industry a thinking onion.
I am currently making a rice cream. So an ice cream out of rice pudding and rice milk. I've blended it all together, added a little bit of vanilla. It's going into a small metal tin, into the freezer to freeze. Is anyone feeling what they would describe as happy right now?
Yes.
I thought so.
Hey!
Thank you, Chef.
Barry, what are you making?
My plan today, James, is to make arancini sliders.
Oh, nice.
I'm replacing the buns for my sliders with arancini balls. What I'm aiming to do is get as much of the burger flavour into the arancini to wrap around my patties. So I've got my rice on the boil, stirring automatically with a little bit of stock cube and some porcini powder. Oh, umami.
Umami or umami?
It's a bit of both.
Oh,
It's a bit of both. Prosecco, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, bit of Prosecco.
Now it's
I'd have
Italian.
put that in first, but no worries. sorry, old habits. Jay, what are you making?
Right, volcano rice or rice volcano. I can't remember which way around it is. It's a Korean dish.
I love Korean food, so that's a good start.
Excellent. I'm going to make like a pizza version of it.
I'm sorry.
So I'm making
Pizza.
like the Mount Etna of volcano rice.
Jay, please.
I think that's Italy, but I saw you've got Spanish rice, so
I couldn't find any arborio rice, so I've just gone for
it's a Korean dish with Spanish rice with Italian flavours.
yeah.
Are you going to make anyone happy or just everyone
Why
upset?
have you got risotto rice? That would have been perfect. So think a mound of rice.
Yeah.
And then we're going to pour over a cheesy, eggy lava and
Okay.
cook that in the pan.
Cheesy, eggy lava.
Yes, cheesy, eggy lava.
You've got pineapple on your dish. What's going on there?
Tin of pineapple. You can't have pizza without pineapple.
It's a pineapple pizza.
Ham and pineapple pizza.
Right, okay, cool.
Don't get to wear a t-shirt like this for no reason.
Mike, is there ever going to be a good time for me to ask you what you're making?
Absolutely not, but I'm going to tell you now. So I'm making the ricest brownie dessert you've ever had.
Okay.
So I'm taking inspiration from the most delicious rice-based sweet treat that I can come up with, the Rice Krispie Marshmallow Square. I'm making a self-made puffed riced marshmallow brownie with a sake, so rice wine, coulis, rice cream, and hoping that it's going to taste good.
What bit of that did you understand?
You know, we found out about this 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Why does it sound like he found out about this 3 days ago?
He's in charge of production.
Oh, that's what it is!
He comes up with the ideas.
Yeah,
about
that'll
what
be why.
is in his head.
Fine.
I don't think it's going to help him.
Also, this is not the idea that I came up with, so we are in big trouble. So the key here is that I'm going to puff my own rice. I'm making Rice Krispies. So I've rinsed and now boiled some rice. The rice now gets drained and then fried off in a dry pan. Meanwhile, I'm getting on my brownie mixture and got some eggs and sugar beating in a mixer.
Once my rice is cooked, I'll need to cool it down and then fry it. And you need a really good flavoured oil to fry it. So I found all of this pepperoni. Snacking pepperoni.
So Barry's using the automatic stirrer. But he also has nothing to do. He has nothing else to do.
I'm actually jealous of it right now. Because I've got time, I think what would be nice in my arancini balls would be some crispy beef as well. So I'm going to take some of my beef patties and break them up and turn that into crispy beef to go in my arancini.
Where did my chicken stock go?
A sake, so rice wine, coulis.
You... I assumed that was left over.
No. It's in there, isn't it?
It's in there. It's in there. No, that's not going to work. No, it's different types of rice at different stages. Sorry, I thought you were done. That wasn't me trying to sabotage you. I really thought you were done there.
I think I'm going to need to dry my rice. That should be really, really dry and have dried out over possibly a day. But I don't have a day. So let's try and make puffed rice. And if it doesn't work, I'll just find a way of combining it in and use Rice Krispies.
Are you putting the rice in the brownie before the brownie gets baked?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, we're in pure experimental territory here, James. I've lost confidence.
It's just going to turn into fried rice.
Yeah, and in that case, I'll still use it because it's still rice.
I've never had a fried rice brownie.
Well, there you go. That's what you're here for, isn't it?
I never know when the risotto's done. Like, it's soft to the bite, but ever so slightly chalky. Jamie, do you know when the risotto's done?
When risotto's done?
Yeah.
When Ebbers puts his trousers back on.
That is the universal sign, isn't it? You're right.
So while that train wreck happens, vanilla extract into my now beaten eggs and sugar. Flour goes in. My chocolate mixture is cooled, so it can go in and not scramble the eggs. Half the brownie mixture going into the oven.
Rice is there, so now burger flavour's in. Burger flavour 1, beef burger. Burger flavour 2, caramelised onions. Burger flavour 3, gherkins. Burger flavour 4, American cheese.
American cheese is actually really great through
should be good now.
sauce and stuff.
Really?
It melts so well.
The final burger flavour, burger sauce. Mustard, ketchup. Gherkins are already in there. I know, I have offended everyone. That is so tasty.
Attention all Sidekick users! This is what you have on the menu this week. If you'd like to give Sidekick a go, you can grab your free recipe with a 30-day free trial.
Rice is cooked, it's laid out onto a tray, it's going to go into a fridge and or a freezer for as long as I can do that whilst I make my sauce. I'm going to chop up pepperoni with a ham, pineapple, make a sauce essentially with some tomato paste and some herbs, and then that is what I'll fry my rice in. Once the rice is fried, into a mound. Essentially, that's about it.
Can I have a pineapple then? Just finger it.
No,
I can't, no. No, because I'll definitely eat your finger. I don't want to do that.
Ooh.
I can't get that off your finger without brushing it with my tongue.
So my next ricey element is my mixed berry coulis. So I've got mixed berries, rice wine or a fermented rice alcohol, sake, going in. And then I've found some rice syrup. I'm going to use that at the end to get the balance of sweetness right. Oh no, my marshmallows have burnt bad! How's that happened? Oh dear. Everyone loves toasted marshmallows.
Right.
Right,
Now-
for my sauce.
Now,
For,
right,
No,
no.
no. For,
Izzy?
For my
Izzy?
sauce, I've already got my flavoured oil from the pepperoni. I'm going to add in ham, the crispy pepperoni, pineapple. I found some spicy tomato sauce, a little bit of tomato paste. That's going to create the sauce. And then the rice is going to go into that, fry off, and then we'll form it into a mound. Cut. Cut.
No, I need a camera
I just
because I'm
cut
about to do
is-
this.
There's probably no point listening
Izzy,
to
you're
anything
taking
else.
you're taking
But
the
you
now.
had
Come over here.
all of the
Izzy,
value that you're going
I
to
need a
get
shot because this is really
from
important.
this section of the video. It's fine. Smells incredible.
nice of you to turn up. This now needs to cool down really quickly, so I've put it onto a freezer tray, a frozen tray, to cool down quick.
Is it already cold? That's clever.
It's already really
It's already cold. He put it in the freezer. That's clever.
To really hone in on the rice theme here, I am deep frying my arancini rice balls in rice oil. I didn't know it was a thing either. In the meantime, I may as well slice up my onion, prep my tomato, get my lettuce ready to make the burger.
I need a coffee. An Irish coffee. So the puffed rice was an absolute fail. I've got toasted rice now. It tastes nice, but it's such an inconsistent texture because bits have clumped together that I'm just going to blend it up and we're going to use it for flavour. And I'm going to use Rice Krispies. Brownies have 15 minutes, so it's half baked. Oh, this oven! And my marshmallow has now set. So I burnt it, and then it's set, just when I need it. Now I want it melty enough just to be able to pour, because then the rest of the chocolate brownie mixture is going on top, distributed as evenly and quickly as possible. Then my Rice Krispie combo mixture, and then the rest of my brownie mixture. I'm not going to be able to spread it, am I? Again, I did not think about this. Oh no! Great. Return that to the oven to finish baking for another 15 minutes. And we are done. It's just got to cool.
Let's make our egg and cheese mixture. To make our egg and cheese mixture, I'm gonna mix together some eggs and some cheese. How many eggs do you need to make lava?
I missed these. I think. So you're whisking the balls into the egg.
Yeah. Yeah. Does lava have lumps in it?
Yes, I guess.
James, I found a good sized bowl and it's got a message for you in it.
Oh, you're too kind.
He's judging, so.
I'm very excited for all of them. Mike's cleaning down, guys. Just putting it out there.
But I'm waiting on an oven and a freezer. Two things I have no control over.
Boys, you have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes
no.
left, Barry.
No! All I'm doing is making
I don't know how you've become the one that's stressed.
My 10-minute burger battle begins!
It's going to be gooey.
Oh, yeah.
Some of this
That's
is
crust.
Yeah. Let's make a volcano.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
It's a good time to make a volcano because you've got a couple of minutes left.
This is hot,
Yeah.
but I need to have a good enough grip on it to turn it over.
Lol.
So,
Be a chef, come on.
Be a chef.
Oh.
Well done.
Oh, well done. That's great.
That'll make a difference.
Oh my goodness!
let's make a volcano. Need a dent.
Mate, this is pretty cool.
The balls aren't coming out. Now the balls are in. Oh,
Now what? You cook the egg out?
now we need to cook the egg out. So that's going to go into an oven for a couple of minutes. And then we should have cheesy, eggy, pulley volcano rice egg.
Mike, how's your last few minutes going?
Yeah, it's fine. My rice cream is really lovely and cold.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, nice job. Let's get this into the sexies.
James.
Well, this is very exciting.
Let's go straight to Barry's.
With the starter and dessert. Yeah?
Okay.
How do I eat it?
Like a burger.
Like a burger?
Yeah.
I'm not sure I can do that. This is impossible.
Yeah, boy. Oh, hit his nose. Now, I think everyone else can go.
Right, let's get a plate because that looks horrendous out on the side.
Barry, this isn't practical. It's actually quite tasty.
A reflection. It didn't need the burgers in the middle. It tastes enough of burger on its own.
In the rice.
I think that's quite delicious.
I'm happy with it. It's as ridiculous as I'd hoped.
I think this looks great.
It's ridiculous, Jamie.
I've got to admit, it turned out.
I can't believe it turned out. That is staggering.
Mate, I've got to say, the omelette is cooked very
it's
well.
perverse. How did you manage that?
First, spectacular
Jammy
luck.
dick.
Cheers.
Wow.
Jamie, that is very good.
Mate, that is awesome.
The egg makes that so silky, so like.
The egg is fantastic. I'm going to say it, the pineapple adds something
There's pineapple in it.
excellent to this.
Oh, it's cooked pineapple.
Oh, fine.
Oh my goodness, this is incredible.
I was ready to slate you by taking multiple cuisines and just destroying them. But actually, you're getting what the Korean version I think probably delivers, which is like really intense flavors around the rice. But it's like absolutely Italian.
Yeah.
It's got pepperoni, it's got mozzarella, it's got the parmesan. It's a great fusion dish. It works perfectly. And the egg is cooked really well.
Dessert.
I like it. It's not as obvious, but you're definitely using rice. Just looking, the texture looks really good.
Lovely brownie.
Cheers.
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 Oh, my.
Just when I think it's getting too sweet, the tartness of the sauce.
It's really tart.
It does
Lovely.
taste nice. Does it taste of rice?
The sauce is ricey. With a rice pudding.
I like the
The
marshmallow
compot's
bit.
delicious. I'm not sure I could tell you there's sake in it.
No, I wanted it to be boozier.
It's definitely delicious. Do you know what I was impressed by? I looked at you at the start of this battle and I said, nothing is going to come from that corner of the kitchen. You were weighing out ingredients multiple times. You were like searching the whole studio for chocolate. You had multiple types of chocolate. I was like, it's just not going to happen in an hour. And by the end of it, you were cleaned down before the other two, watching Jamie finish his dish. And to produce a brownie in that time, I think it's a credit to you.
I think we might have made this quite difficult for James to pick a winner.
Do you think?
I think there's 3 very good dishes
They're
there.
all very tasty. Like you've all kind of done what you set out to do, I think.
But you have to choose
Today-
a loser too.
Yeah,
Do I actually?
Yeah,
Is that how it works?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really important.
It's really important to us that there's a loser.
Well, no, it's really hard.
if anything, the loser is more important than the winner.
Yeah. Today's loser is.
Now I feel awful. I think it's Barry. I'm so
I'm not
sorry.
really annoyed, but I think I agree.
Really?
I enjoyed
sorry.
the flavour. I enjoyed more from both your dishes.
There's no way.
Your
I
second
can
place.
get-
Yeah.
Oh, yes!
That.
That's
think that is a
stunning.
clear winner.
I don't know how you've pulled that together.
Very good.
Might be one of the best things you've made.
Yeah, agree.
I think that should go on the public.
I wish you could taste this because
Yeah, stunning.
it's delicious.
We've heard James's thoughts. Comment below who you think should have won and give us a like if you'd like us to see more of these videos in the future.